We're at the Oldsmar Days Festival in Oldsmar, Florida, which is located at the top of the bay at Olds Park. That's the top of Tampa Bay in the background. They have a classic car show here today, so we're just gonna walk through and check out some of the cars. There's a festival going on, there's a live band in the background, there's some rides and kids stuff. We're gonna have a video of the festival, a separate video also posted. I just wanna show you some of the cars that they have here. Now, this is an interesting little car. It's a Mazda. Okay, here's a Corvette.
Wow, look at it fall.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's coming hot.
Some newer cars here. Indianapolis 500 pace car. Okay, now we're getting into some older cars. It says Clipper. I'm not too familiar. I'm just a videographer here, so. Oh look, we have a bug. We got a van, VW van. We'll take a quick look inside. Oldsmobiles. Their hamburger and drink and fries up there, ready to go.
That's the older Camaro right there.
Yeah, that's what I had. Problem is, mine.
Convertible bug. Sorry about the camera. It's another bus. It's 1967. Show you inside. It's an interesting car there. Very nice.
There's another barbecue place on the other side, but then this one might be right in.
And like I said, we're at the top of the bay, top of Tampa Bay. Orioles Park, that's the pier. It's currently damaged from the recent hurricanes, but it's a great fishing spot when it's open. You can see somebody pulled up on their boat right there. This one looks pretty original and very comfortable.
That's his car.
Got a bug here. And yet here is another bus. There's some people actually sitting inside this one. Fuji. That is a clean engine. It's a Mazda. It's a Porsche. Here's one for sale. Thunderbird. All right, so that's going to do it for the car show at the Oldsmar Festival, Oldsmar Days Festival, Orioles Park in Oldsmar, Florida. Hope you enjoyed the video. I have a previous one, I think from a couple years ago. If you want to search with my other videos, you might find the old classic car show in there, along with a couple other car shows. Also, we'll have a video of the rides and the different attractions that are going on. It's kind of hard to see. There's a band right there playing at the bandstand. Then you can barely see there's some rides in the background. So that's the rest of the fair. But on this part of the park, it's just a classic car show. All right, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.